Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to another session of Qur'anic Arabic recitation with Tajweed rules. In this session, we will be studying another 3 words. This is on page number 16 of Al-Qaida Nuraniya. And this is just a reminder for transliteration purposes. So the first word we have is Maliki. It can be divided into 3 syllables. The first syllable we have is Mim Fatha Alif Saghira. So Mim is a light letter, it has Fatha on top of it, it is followed by Alif Saghira, and this will be prolonged for 2 counts because of Alif Saghira. Mim Fatha Alif Saghira Ma. Mim Fatha Alif Saghira Ma. Mim Fatha Alif Saghira Ma. The next syllable we have is Lam Kasrali. Lam is a light letter in this case, it has kasra underneath, and it will be prolonged for 1 count. Lam Kasrali. Lam Kasrali. Lam Kasrali. So we combine these 2 syllables, we have Mali. 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 The next syllable we have is Kaf Kasraki. Kaf is a light letter, it has kasra underneath, and it will be prolonged for 1 count. Kaf Kasraki. Kaf Kasraki. Kaf Kasraki. So we combine 3 syllables, we have Maliki. 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 The next word we have is Shay'in. It can be divided into 2 syllables. So the first syllable we have is Sheen Fatha Ya Sakoon. Shay. And Sheen is a light letter, it has Fatha on top of it, it is followed by Ya, and Ya has a Sakoon. Sheen Fatha Ya Sakoon Shay. Sheen Fatha Ya Sakoon Shay. Sheen Fatha Ya Sakoon Shay. The next syllable we have is Hamza Kasratain In. Hamza is a light letter, it has Kasratain underneath. Hamza Kasratain In. Hamza Kasratain In. Hamza Kasratain In. So we combine these 2 syllables, we have Shay'in. 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 The next word we have is Tagha. It can be divided into 2 syllables. The first syllable we have is Ta Fatha Ta. Ta is a heavy letter, it has Fatha on top of it, and it will be prolonged for 1 count. Ta Fatha Ta. Ta Fatha Ta. Ta Fatha Ta. The second syllable we have is Ghain Fatha Alif Saghira, and this Ya is silent here, and it will be prolonged for 2 counts. Ghain Fatha Alif Saghira Gha. Ghain Fatha Alif Saghira Gha. Ghain Fatha Alif Saghira Gha. So when we combine these 2 syllables, we have Tagha. 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 So the next few slides would be sounds only. Maliki. 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 Shay'in. 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 Tagha. 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 So this is the end of this session. We will see you in next session inshallah. Until then, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.